Welcome once again to our channel, K-Math Lab. Today we are looking at subtracting without borrowing. There's a new technique, a new trick that I want us to look at this moment. So we have 8 minus 9, which is impossible. So we write 9 minus 8, which is 1. So we are going to get a negative 1 here. Then 7 minus 1, that is 6. Then 6 minus 9, it is going to be a negative 3. Then we have 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now, we are going to take these numbers together. That is going to be separated. This is 33. So we are going to take 30 minus 3, which is going to give us 27. So we write 27 here on our answer, and then we take 61. So this is going to be 60 minus 1. This is 60 minus 1, which is giving us 59. So here we'll get 59, and this is our correct answer when we are subtracting such a number. We will look at the next example. 5 minus 8, that is in lower levels it is impossible, but in higher levels we know it is possible. We'll get a negative 3. Then 8 minus 2, that is 6. 4 minus 7, that is a negative 3 still. Then 6 minus 2, that is going to be a 4. So we will still consider grouping these numbers together. That is 40 minus 3, which is going to give us 37. So we write here 3 and 7. Then, of course, then we take 63, which is 60 minus 3. 60 minus 3, which is going to give us 57. So our answer here will be 3,757. This is a correct answer for that, and this is a correct answer for that. Continue to follow our channel, subscribe and like, and then you get to receive the new videos that are out there.